Hi, I'm Doug with Quick and Easy Meals. On this channel, we explore various ways to make quick, easy, healthy, inexpensive meals so that even the novice can feel like a master in the kitchen. This series, we're going to use a meal kit by Martha Stewart and Marley Spoon. So we'll rate it at the end after we make about 3 to 4 meals. So stay tuned. Okay, this is what we have in our meal kit that they send to us. And you have mascarpone, mozzarella, gnocchi, chicken, garlic, thyme, peas, parsley, scallions, carrots, and chicken bouillon. Now it looks like a lot, but we're gonna get this mixed up and made a sweet looking meal in 6 easy steps. Okay, so the meal kit brings the majority of the ingredients, but we do need to add and bring from our own cabinets olive oil and 1.5 tablespoons of multi-purpose flour. And now we have all the ingredients we need to make our creamy chicken and gnocchi dumplings. So let's begin. Okay, for step 1, we're gonna bring the water to a boil as you see we done here. And then we're gonna add our gnocchi and we're gonna let it boil for approximately 3 minutes. So we'll just plop those in there and we'll kind of know when some of them start to float. So we'll let that boil for about 3 minutes. Okay, while we let this boil, we're gonna prep the carrots and the scallions, get those ready. So we'll wait for this to soften up and start to float to the top. Okay, now that we got the scallions a little bit soft and tender and they're floating towards the top, they boil about 3 minutes. Now we'll go to step 2 and prepare our veggies, our carrots and scallions. As you can see, we cut the scallions. We got about 1/4 cup of the scallions, and we cut the carrots, and they're about lengthwise, but you can make them circle however you like them. If you're not good with the knife, you can use a food processor and just chop them up however you please. Okay, we got the gnocchis cooling down and we got the veggies prepped. So let's go to step 3. So now we're on step 3 where we're gonna heat up the vegetables. We poured in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we've got the carrots in, chopped up, and the scallions in there. We're going to go ahead and heat this up until it's nice and soft. We're going to add some salt, a little bit of salt in here. And pepper, if you like pepper. Thyme. We'll turn this down a little bit and then we will prepare the chicken. We'll get the chicken cut up and the gnocchi's drained and ready to go. We'll cut the chicken into strips like this, thin strips, and we'll add that into the vegetables. And what we'll do is we'll cook the chicken until it browns on one side. We won't really mix and toss it. We'll just try to put it in there and brown one side of it. It should take 3, maybe 5 minutes, depending on your heat level. We have it on medium heat. We just wanted to cook through and brown on one side. And then we'll move to step 4. Okay, after the chicken cooking for about 3 minutes, we're gonna add in the flour. And then about 1 cup of chicken bouillon, and start working on the creamy sauce. Get the chicken a little more cooked thoroughly. Then we'll add in our peas and our mozzarella. We'll let that cook for a while, about 5 minutes. Till it thoroughly cooks through. Mascarpone. Get that in there. One good thing about using a meal kit is you get to try new stuff that you probably never heard of, and it's a good experience. We'll add in the peas as well. And we'll let this all come together. And we'll season it to taste after we get this all to mush together. We're basically almost done. We're gonna add a little bit of water just to kind of loosen it up a little bit. Tablespoon of water. And get that stirred in. We're gonna put some final touches on it. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt. I'm allergic to pepper, but you can add pepper as well. It's usually a nice touch, I'm told. There you go, the final product. It's creamy, it's chicken and gnocchi dumpling. And put a little parsley on it to kind of bring out some of the color. 6 easy steps to creamy chicken and gnocchi dumpling. The recipe is in the link. Thank you for watching. And if you learned how to make today's meal and you thought it was fun, quick and easy, please subscribe. We have a lot more to share with you.